So I'll be showing you how to enable and also how to disable share my location on your iPhone. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro, but this should work on pretty much any iPhone. So go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to privacy and security, tap on that, and then tap on location services at the top there, and then go to share my location. And then as you can see, share my location is currently enabled. So to disable, turn that off. That's going to turn off the share my location, and to enable it, just turn that on. Now anybody who can see your location will appear down here. Okay, so currently there's no one who I'm sharing my location with. If there was anyone, they will be here. And that is basically how to enable or disable share my location on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.